Hello everyone, welcome to virtual classes. My name is Mirtha, and for today's lesson we're going to see Unit 4, Theme 1 for 7th grade with the topic My Family's Grocery List. In this part of the unit, we will study the corresponding vocabulary related to family's grocery list. Also, countable and non-countable nouns, and we will see inflectional endings. Let's begin with the vocabulary related to grocery list. Fruits: apple, bananas, watermelon, peach, oranges, vegetables, lettuce, potatoes, carrots, plantains, squash, spinach, tomatoes, broccoli, meat, fish, milk, oil, rice, beans, sugar, tea, dog food, meal, supermarket, chips, snacks, cloth, cups, spoon. In the supermarket, we can buy things that we can eat and things that we cannot eat. For example, things that you can eat, like tomatoes, fish, milk, and oil. Things that you cannot eat, like cups, spoon, cloth, and books. Here are some examples of how you can use the vocabulary. My sister likes to eat tomatoes. What do you need at the supermarket? I love to cook fish and chips for snacks. Now that we learn new vocabulary, let's move to some grammar. In this occasion, the topic is countable and non-countable nouns. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns refer to items that can be counted and have singular and plural forms. For example, people, animal, places, things, or ideas. You can count nouns even if the number might be high, like for example, counting all the people in the world. Countable nouns can be used with articles such as a, an, and quantifiers such as a few and many. Example: here is an apple. He has a car. Here are a few cats. We have many pets. What are non-countable nouns? Non-countable nouns cannot be counted, cannot be made plural, are not usually used with articles a or an, cannot be used alone with numbers. For example, we cannot count sugar by itself, but we can count teaspoons of sugar, cubes of sugar, and cups of sugar. Now, let's continue with some phonology. In this case, you will learn about inflectional endings. An inflectional ending is a group of letters added to the end of a word to change its meaning. Now, let's see the meaning of some inflectional ending. For example, the inflectional ending S makes a noun mean more than one. Example: there is an apple on the table. There are 5 apples on the table. The inflectional ending ed means an action already happened in the past. Example: the cat jumped high. The inflectional ending ing means the action is happening now. Example: the cat is jumping high. Now, let us see the idioms of this unit. Idioms are a type of figurative language, which means they are not always meant to be taken literally. Remember that an idiom in English does not translate to an idiom in Spanish. Now, let's pay attention to these idioms. A penny saved is a penny earned. This phrase advises people to be cautious of their money and have savings. Example: by doing this work myself, I save $100. A penny saved is a penny gained. Saving for a rainy day. To save money for a time when it might be needed unexpectedly or for an emergency. Take a look at this example. I'm really glad I saved my tax refund for a rainy day. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to afford these car repairs. Time for practice. Here we have a group of words that need to be classified in countable and non-countable as appropriate. Now, let's review the correct answers. Countable nouns: chair, car, job, university, trip, city, essay, cup. Non-countable nouns: rice, news, equipment, pasta, information, homework, luggage, advice, research, progress, help, peace. Here you have a list of words. Create 3 sentences for each word using the inflectional ending s, ed, ing. For example, if you have the word walk, she walks every day, she walked yesterday, she is walking in this moment. Now, create 3 sentences for these words with the corresponding inflectional ending. Jump. The boy jumps every day. The boy jumped last week. The boy is jumping the rope. Help. She helps animals every day. She helped the dog because it was sick. She is helping the dog to survive. Plant. Emily plants roses in her garden. Emily planted roses in her garden. Emily is planting a lot of roses in her garden. I wish this video had been helpful. Thanks for watching it and hope you have learned a lot. See you. Bye.